Hey everyone, Tammylynn. Welcome to my kitchen. Today what we're going to make is Fettuccine Alfredo. I'm mixing in some fresh broccoli and some onions and some garlic, and I'm going to saute all that in with some Parmesan cheese. Ooh, that's going to taste delicious. But you can always add some chicken to it if you want. You can dice that up and you can add that into your fettuccine as well. So let's start cooking, yeah?
Taking 2 clovers. Take your knife, on top of the clover, smash. Look. And it just comes right off. Throw the skin away. Take your other one, knife, smash. Oh, smash it again. Skin just comes right off. Voila. You're going to dice these, and you're going to do a quick flash fry of the onions and garlic just to bring out the flavors. I'm going to take 1 small tablespoon of country crockett plant butter with some almond here, and we're going to place it into the pot. We're going to add in the onions and the garlic.
So what we're going to do here is let the onions and the garlic kind of sweat. It's going to simmer very lightly. It's on a medium heat, so then it can bring out the flavors a little bit more.
So I've already washed some broccoli. So what we're going to do is just cut off the stem and pick off the florets real quick. You can choose the size that you want. I kind of like mine. It's kind of medium size, so you can choose how you want to cut yours. Now this is a little bit better. So taking the whole floret, cutting it in half. Broccoli brings a nice fibrous type nutrition to your meal. Very high in vitamin K and vitamin A. Lots of other nutritious vitamins that your body needs. Helps to move items through your digestive system as well. So you see, very simple. You can gauge how big or how small you want it. I like to have a variety of both. So it has different type of bites to the dish.
Now we're going to add the broccoli to the onions and the garlic. Stir it around, and then we're going to add some water into this. While the broccoli is boiling, I've already been boiling some hot water. Put some salt in there because you always, whenever you're cooking pasta, you always want seasoning in the pasta. So you want to flavor, I should say, the pasta with some salt. I'm going to take some fettuccine and just drop it in the pot. All right, so the broccoli has been simmering. I put a little bit of water down at the bottom, not a lot. If you put too much water, you can always drain it out. And I leave that in there because when I put the Alfredo sauce in here, you don't have to use as much. So you just pour this in. What I'm using is Prego Alfredo. It's a roasted garlic and Parmesan sauce. I'm going to stir this in. I don't put the whole bottle because I have water in here, so I want to gauge how much I put in there, and the thickness of that as well. So I think I'll put some more. I'm gonna add some fresh cracked pepper. And some salt. Stir that in. And you're going to let this simmer a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit more Parmesan cheese in here just to make a nice type consistency. So you can see it's not too thick. So you know that it's going to grab onto the fettuccine pasta. Now you can make this however you want. If you wanted the sauce to be a little bit thicker, you can. This is just the way that I like mine. Let everything blend together nicely. And always do a taste tester, people, because I like tasting my food. I'm gonna add some more pepper. And some salt. Actually, I think I'm gonna add some more, I'm gonna add some garlic powder to this as well. So I'm just using some garlic powder. Put some more garlic in here. Stir that in really good and let it simmer until the pasta is ready. Now the fettuccine pasta only takes about 12 minutes or so to cook. You don't want to overcook it, so you gotta keep an eye on it. Sauce is ready. I'm gonna add in the sauce. Toss that in. Stir it around. Yes. Now you can put some chicken with this. Goes very nice with it. I'm not having any chicken with it, but I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese using Sargento Parmesan cheese. Just gonna sprinkle it all in there, getting it nice and cheesy. Here you go. Let me let you see it. Fettuccine, broccoli, and some garlic and onions, and with some Parmesan cheese on top. This simple meal, so delicious and filling, and you have extra for tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoy cooking this meal with me. I surely enjoy cooking it with you. It's been a while, so now we're going to get back in track. Start cooking great meals together, cooking desserts and so forth. You see that I already have my fork, so I gotta try it. So let's see. So it's got that nice flavor of garlic in there, fresh cracked pepper, the cheese. Ooh. Nice and creamy, not too thick, but also not too thin. And that's how I like it. So like, subscribe, let me know if you like this video. If you continue to watch these things, you try it, put the comments down at the bottom. Share it with someone that you think will enjoy this as well. Until the next time, ciao.